Hi guys, today we have received an iPhone 16 Pro Max with the temperature. As you can see, it's getting hot, and at the same time there is a problem with the restart after 3 or 4 minutes almost. Let's see what happens. First of all, we are going to remove the NFC flex here, and we'll check again if it's showing temperature error or not. So we are going to boot the phone. The phone is booted, as you can see here. There is no temperature error anymore, and we are going to check the restart problem if it is showing or not. So we are going to fast forward the video, so stay tuned. As you can see, it hardly took 2 minutes and 40 seconds and restarted phone. So what is the next we are going to do? We are going to change the NFC flex, and let's see what happens. I hope so it will work. So we have successfully installed the NFC Flex and booted the phone. As you can see, it's on Apple logo now, and we'll show you if it's working or not. We have changed the NFC Flex. There was two problems. The first problem was with the temperature, and the second was after restarting after 4 minutes. So let's see if it's done or not. I hope it will work. So we are going to run the stopwatch now, and let's see. We will wait for the 3 or 4 minutes. If it is working, so our job is successfully done. So we will wait for the 4 minutes to be checked completely. I hope it will work. So guys, we have successfully fixed the issue of a restart and temperature problem. So stay tuned with my videos, and watch this video until the end to see whether it works or not. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.
الحي القيوم نزل عليك الكتاب بالحق مصدقا لما بين يديه وأنزل التوراة والإنجيل من قبل هدى للناس وأنزل الفرقان إن الذين كفروا بآيات الله لهم عذاب شديد. 12 हरूफ हैं जलाली 12 घंटे दिन के बनाते मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह जमाली
Hello, mic testing, hello, mic testing, hello, mic testing. आते नहीं बता आते ايوه ما مشكله افتخار इसको बता के ना जरा फोन ही गिरा दबू साहब किया हाथ इधर इसको बता के कर नहीं
مرحبا بكم في عمان को खुश आमदीद कहते हैं ओमान से ले स्वागत हो. من الاستمرار باللغة العربية